it's our last day in Spain. We bought keychains, Blossom, and...
Ay, pala nag-start na ba yun?
Yeah.
Bombshell. Yung wow style.
It's parang... My friends are stuck in the elevator. So, it's our last day in Spain.
Yan.
Last day in Madrid. Hindi na ako nakapag-vlog ng masyado because super naging tinamad na ako at gawa ng super tired and super init na din. But anyway, now we're going to the vintage thrift store. Ano ba?
Sa next ay bukas.
And she's wearing all white.
Yeah. Very all white. Tapos pag nadumihan,
Very dirty white. But, Justin,
Hi guys, ang init.
check muna.
Pincheck.
Oh, check. Pa-streetwear kami, guys. Pinilit ko talaga siyang dapat kahapon niya susuotin yan. Pero,
Dapat kahapon ko ito susuotin eh. Wala.
pero ngayon ko pa susuotin yung sweater ko. So,
Kawawa naman.
ito art. Fit check, boy. Eh, oh, grabe. Oh.
Uy, bili tayo.
Uy, pasok agad.
itong puro street na to, guys.
Oh, shit.
Wala kaming nabili doon. So, next. So, yung buong street pala dito, guys, are all thrift stores. All vintage thrift stores. So, nakita na namin sila, Erica May. Thrifting. Ready ka na, boy?
Yes.
But then I think for if you're big, if you have time and you just want to take like big space, this one it is 135, but it is for up to 8 people, and then you get 1 hour studio time. And for Finnish
Wow.
friends, yeah. So like here's the likod. It's this green.
Going to do the photo booth. Photo shoot. Studio shoot.
1, 2, 3, pose.
Ano ba? Ito ka, tumarap eh. So, we just finished taking the photo booth. I just changed my outfit kasi it was so hot and mas bet ko na to. Nagrereklamo na talaga kami ng araw-araw na ano na parang ang aga, super pagod, super init. Pero, na-enjoy naman. Yun na lang yung nirereklamo namin eh. Hindi yung reklamo kasi pagod sa work. Pero, wala na kami magagawa. Goodbye, Spain.
Bombshell.
Yeah.
Bombshell and the escape bombshell.
Diba? Kami lang talaga yung may binili dito talaga ni Erica.
Yeah.
So guys, we bought keychains, the Powerpuff keychains.
We bought keychain.
So she is...
nag-iba na kami.
Ay, nag-iba kayo?
Character na talaga.
Okay. So I am... Ano bang pangalan nito? Nakalimutan ko. Buttercup.
Blossom.
This is Blossom and Bubbles.
Um,
Yeah. And... Hindi nila kaya yun. Ay, cut direct.
okay, ma'am.
Quick. Quick.
Quack, quack, quack.
Quick update, guys. Bumili na kami ng mga Jollibee for our friends and family. And look at that. Pang dalawang akin, tas kay Carla. Wala pa yung kay Precious tsaka kay Erica. Tsaka sa iba naming kasama. Diyos ko naman, ang dami, guys. Ano ba yan? Nag-vlog ka din? So, nag-order na kami ng taxi kasi hindi namin to carry. Like, prinsesa pa naman kami. And then, kakain kami sa seafood. Yun yung dinner namin.
Yan. Kasi pag sino mo yan, magkakaiba yan.
So guys, we just got here in Wow Crab, Madrid. And
Isang
we
crab,
are
isang
2 hours pa
lobster,
lang.
isang shrimp, isang mussels, tapos sauce. Lobsters? Oo. Shrimp and mussels.
Ang galing mo.
Talaba ay yata.
Red na red ka dyan, girl.
And then, yung wow style na lang na sauce. Tapos man lang.
Yung iba guys, nasa labas. Sir.
4 corns. Potato.
Puto na talaga. Yung, kanina yung last kong vlog, kaninang morning. Yun evening.
Cut.
Sorry guys, tinabad ako eh.
Hindi na naglalakad kasi.
Feeling ko 5 minutes lang tong last day vlog.
Kasi sa mga 5 minutes.
Last dinner here in Spain.
Magkaiba pa nga sa kanila.
Okay.
See you Finland tomorrow.
Pwede na mag-sleep.
Wow. Wow. Seafood time. Dinner at 11:30. Hey guys, so update. My friends are stuck in the elevator right now, but I already called 911. Oh, shit. Good morning, guys. Time to go to the airport. Time check. It's already 7:05 a.m. Isang oras lang yung tulog ko since nag-empake pa kami and wrapped the Jollibee and ayan no. Isang oras lang yung tulog ko. Doon na ako matutulog sa airport. So, this is my fit. I love Barcelona, but we are in Madrid. But no problem because I have this cap. So, let's go. Yun na. We just got here. Uwian na talaga, guys. Totoo na talaga to. Grabe. Tapos na ang pagpapanggap, uuwi na po kami.
Yeah, we go
Tapos
home.
na. Tapos na yun, yun na yun.
Wala na pera.
Yun na yun, wala nang pera.
Extend?
Uy, balik na to, extend na to.
Dapat nag-extend na lang. Yung dapat natuloy na lang yun.
Uy!
Uy!
Ay, yung code.
OA?
Gastos.
OA.
Kaya nang tawagin nyo nga.
OA.
Tawagin mo.
Agin mo.
Tawagin mo.
Agin mo.
Tangin na.
Right.
Agin mo. Gawin mo yung Disney princess natin, ah. Disney princess natin ba?
Ate yung Reyna. Ang
Reyna. Ang Disney princess. Ah.
In front of you. We now invite customers traveling with infants and those requiring special assistance to come forward to board through gate K84.
Nakapasok na kami. Yung iba namin kasama wala pa dito. Ay, ayoko na mag... We are back in Finland, guys. So, hindi na ako nakapag-vlog ng like kung ano talaga yung ginagawa namin ng like the whole trip going back here. Hindi ko na masyadong vlog because tinatamad ako and wala. Like, nalulungkot ako. We landed like an hour ago tapos nilipat na yung mga gamit namin sa shared. Kasi nag-share kami ng luggage ni Precious. Nilipat na namin yung mga things namin and then yung iba kong, like, they all went home. And then now, inaantay ko na lang sila mama because they're gonna pick me up. And I'm here in Espresso just drinking my Booster lemonade. This is their Jollibee and my luggage is right there. Kung gaano naman kainit dun sa Spain, gano'n din kalamig naman dito. It's 13 here. From 30 plus degrees to 13 degrees. Magkakasakit na ata kami. But anyway, I enjoyed the trip. I'll see you at home. Bye. Or, I'll see you pag nandito na sila mga.
and Ate Preda. Where's my Messi jersey?
It's there. Time na. Don't open it yet.